Want a fresher, calmer bedroom that helps you relax and breathe easier? In this video, we are exploring beautiful green companions that can brighten your space, support cleaner indoor air, and create a soothing vibe. Perfect for better sleep, less stress, and a touch of nature, these additions can transform room. Let's begin with snake plant, Dracena trifasciata. Is a tough, stylish houseplant loved for its upright, sword-shaped leaves with striking green patterns. It thrives in low light, bright light, and everything in between, making it perfect for bedrooms and corners with limited sun. This plant is famous for tolerating irregular watering and dry indoor air, so it suits busy or forgetful plant owners. It also releases oxygen at night, which makes it a popular bedroom companion. With its modern look and strong survival skills, it adds calm, structure, and greenery to any indoor space while asking for very little care in return. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum, is a cheerful, fast-growing houseplant known for its arching green leaves striped with white and its dangling baby offshoots. It adapts easily to indoor conditions, tolerates mist watering, and does well in bright, indirect light. Perfect for shelves or hanging baskets, it adds a soft, lively touch to bedrooms and living spaces. This plant is beginner-friendly, non-fussy, and quick to bounce back from stress. With its fresh look and easy care nature, it's a great choice for bringing light, movement, and natural charm into your home without demanding much attention. Gerbera daisy, Gerbera jamesoni. Its large, velvety blooms appear in vivid shades that instantly energize a room and draw the eye. Placed near a bright window, it thrives in strong indirect light and appreciates consistently moist, well-drained soil. The plant has a neat, compact shape, making it ideal for bedside tables or sunny corners. With the right balance of light and watering, it produces long-lasting blossoms that feel fresh and uplifting. It's perfect for adding color, warmth, and a naturally joyful touch to personal spaces without overwhelming the decor or feeling difficult to grow. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum, is a popular bedroom plant often chosen for its air-purifying qualities and easygoing nature. Its trailing vines and heart-shaped leaves add a soft, calming look that suits restful spaces. It can adapt to different light levels, from bright indirect light to low light, and doesn't mind if watering is occasionally delayed. This makes it perfect for busy lifestyles or beginners. As it grows, it can cascade from shelves or climb supports, bringing natural charm indoors. With minimal effort, it helps create a fresher, greener bedroom atmosphere while remaining one of the simplest houseplants to care for. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata, is a classic bedroom plant valued for its lush, feathery fronds and natural air-refreshing qualities. Its soft, arching leaves create a calm, cooling feel that suits restful spaces beautifully. It prefers bright, indirect light and enjoys slightly higher humidity, making it great near windows with filtered sun. Keeping the soil lightly moist helps it stay full and vibrant. When happy, it becomes a graceful, flowing display in hanging baskets or stands. With its rich texture and fresh green look, it adds life, softness, and a soothing natural touch that makes indoor spaces feel more comfortable and inviting. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, is a strong, low-maintenance bedroom plant often appreciated for its ability to tolerate low light and irregular watering. Its thick, glossy leaves grow in elegant, upright stems that give a clean, modern look to indoor spaces. This plant stores water in its roots, allowing it to survive dry air and occasional neglect with ease. It does well in indirect light but can also adapt to dim corners, making placement flexible. With its polished appearance and hardy nature, it adds structure, calm greenery, and lasting freshness to bedrooms while requiring very little effort to stay healthy and attractive. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica, makes a bold statement in a bedroom with its large, glossy leaves and strong, upright growth. Often chosen for its air-supporting benefits and striking appearance, it brings a rich, modern touch to indoor spaces. It prefers bright, indirect light but can adapt to medium light conditions as well. Allowing the top layer of soil to dry between waterings keeps it healthy and prevents overwatering issues. As it grows, it develops a sturdy, tree-like form that adds height and structure. With minimal care, it delivers dramatic greenery and a calm, refreshing atmosphere to your room. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema commutatum, is a reliable bedroom plant admired for its patterned leaves and tolerance of low light. Its foliage often features beautiful mixes of green, silver, or cream, adding subtle color without being overwhelming. It handles indoor conditions well and doesn't mind occasional mist watering, making it ideal for busy plant owners. This plant prefers indirect light but can adjust to dimmer spots, keeping its elegant look with minimal effort. With its compact shape and calm presence, it enhances restful spaces while contributing to a fresher indoor environment and bringing long-lasting greenery into your home. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum wallichii, is a graceful bedroom plant known for its dark green leaves and elegant white blooms that stand out beautifully indoors. It's often chosen for its ability to thrive in low to medium light while adding a calm, fresh feel to the room. The plant enjoys lightly moist soil and will gently droop to let you know when it needs water, making care simple. Its smooth, glossy foliage and clean flowers bring a soothing, spa-like touch to personal spaces. With the right balance of light and watering, it stays lush and helps create a more serene, inviting atmosphere. Areca palm, Dipsas luterescens, brings a light, tropical feel to the bedroom with its feathery, arching fronds and soft green color. It's often appreciated for helping improve indoor air freshness while adding a relaxed, resort-like vibe. This palm prefers bright, indirect light and evenly moist soil, though it doesn't like to sit in water. Its graceful, clumping growth makes it ideal for filling empty corners or placing near a window. As it grows, it creates a gentle, airy look that softens the room's feel. With steady care, it remains lush and adds a calm, refreshing touch to indoor spaces. Thanks for watching. Bring a little green into your space, breathe easier, and create a calmer vibe every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple tips to refresh your home naturally.